Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ali Hassan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. I hope that student you are well. I am also well. Today I will discuss about differentiation chapter 9a and limit. Student, look at the board. Question number 15. Find the value of limit x tends to 0 a minus root over a square minus x square by x square. It's very important question for your examination. So attention please student. Given limit x tends to 0 a minus root over a square minus x square by x square. Now here limit x tends to 0, let x equals to 0. Now putting the value in this function, so form is 0 by 0, 0 by 0. So student, here next line, limit x tends to 0. Now multiplying numerator and denominator by a plus root over a square minus x square. So we have a minus root over a square minus x square by x square. Multiplying numerator and denominator by opposite sign. Here opposite sign means a plus root over a square minus x square and a into a plus x square into a plus root over a square minus x square. So attention please student, multiplying numerator and denominator by a plus root over a square minus x square and a plus root over a square minus x square. So next line, limit x tends to 0. Here using formula. Now a minus b into a plus b. Student, here using formula a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Here b is root over a square minus x square whole square. This is using formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, and denominator should be same, a plus root over a square minus x square. Now next line, limit x tends to 0. Here a square minus square root cancel, so a square minus minus will be plus x square by x square into a plus root over a square minus x square. So student, here a square and a square cancel, then we get limit x tends to 0, and here x square by x square into a plus root over a square minus x square, and now x square cancel, then we have limit x tends to 0, 1 by a plus root over a square minus x square. So student, here putting the value of x equals to 0. Now here putting the value of x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 means here 0. So root over a square means a. So 1 by a plus a equals to 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. So answer will be 1 by 2a. So student, I hope that you are clear. Student, question number 50. Now given limit theta tends to 0, 1 by theta into 1 by sine theta minus 1 by tan theta. Question number 50. Find the value of limit theta tends to 0, 1 by theta, 1 by sine theta minus 1 by tan theta. So student, look at the board. Limit theta tends to 0, 1 by theta, here 1 by sine theta. Now we know that, student, here using formula tan theta equals to, we know that tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. So we can write tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. Now limit theta tends to 0, 1 by tan theta and 1 by sine theta minus 1 into cos theta by sine theta. Student, now limit theta tends to 0 and 1 by theta. Now LCM, here LCM is sine theta and sine theta. Denominator are same, so LCM is sine theta. Now denominator will be 1 minus cos theta. Numerator will be 1 minus cos theta. So here LCM is sine theta and numerator will be 1 minus cos theta. Now from the formula, so theta tends to 0, 1 by theta, 1 minus cos, 2 into theta by 2. Student, here 2 into theta by 2, because we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta, this is formula. So denominator will be sine into 2 into theta by 2, 2 into theta by 2, because here using formula sine 2 theta. We know that, student, you know that 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta and sine 2 theta equals to 2 sine theta into cos theta. So memorize it, student. Here 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now limit theta tends to 0, 1 by theta. Now here using formula 2 sine square theta by 2. Here formula 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta. This is formula, and denominator will be using formula sine 2a. We know that sine 2a equals to 2 sine a into cos a. So 2 sine a means theta by 2 into cos a means theta by 2. And now here 2 cancel and sine theta cancel. Then we get sine theta. Now limit theta tends to 0, 1 by theta into sine theta by cos theta, sine theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Again student, here limit theta tends to 0, 1 by theta into sine by cos means tan theta by 2. Student, here sine theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 using formula sine by cos equals to tan. Now here theta means denominator will be theta. Now student, we know that here number and number this equal. So here theta by 2 and theta by 2. Now here simplify is half. Balance is half. 2 cancel. So student, here tan theta by 2 and theta by 2. And here if theta by 2 tends to 0, because if theta tends to 0, so theta by 2 also 0. So student, here using formula limit theta by 2 tends to 0, tan theta by 2 and theta by 2 equals to 1 into half. So result will be half. Student, it is using formula. So attention please, look at the board. We know that limit x tends to 0 sin tan x by x equals to 1. This is formula. Tan x by x equals to 1. So student, memorize it. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x equals to 1. So we have limit theta by 2 tends to 0, tan theta by 2 by theta by 2 equals to 1 and half. So 1 into half equals to half. I hope that student you are clear. Question number 59. Find the value of limit theta tends to pi by 2 sec cube theta minus tan cube theta by tan theta. It's very important question for your exam. So look at the board. Now given sec cube theta, limit theta tends to pi by 2, theta tends to pi by 2 and sec cube theta minus tan cube theta by tan theta. So student, here limit theta tends to pi by 2, theta tends to pi by 2. Now using formula sec cube theta, we know that sec cube equals to 1 by cos cube theta and tan cube theta equals to, we know that tan cube theta equals to sin cube theta by cos cube theta, and denominator will be, we know that tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, 1 by cos cube theta, sin cube theta by cos cube theta and sin theta by cos theta. Now LCM in numerator. So theta tends to pi by 2 and here LCM, here cos cube theta and cos cube theta are same. So LCM will be cos cube theta. So numerator 1 minus sin cube theta and denominator will be sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Next line, here limit theta tends to pi by 2. Now we can write 1 minus sin cube theta by cos cube theta into cos theta by sin theta, cos cube theta by sin theta. Here denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Cos theta and cos cube theta cancel, so we get cos square theta. So student, attention please here. Next line equals to limit theta tends to pi by 2 and 1 minus sin cube theta by cos square theta into sin theta. Again using formula theta tends to pi by 2. Here using formula in numerator a cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube equals to a1 minus a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, a cube minus b cube. So using formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now denominator, we know that cos square theta equals to, 1 minus sin square theta and sin theta. Next line, student, limit theta tends to pi by 2 1 minus sine theta and 1 plus sine theta plus sine square theta. Now a plus b into a minus b, and here sine theta. So student, 1 minus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta are cancelled. Then we get limit theta tends to pi by 2, 1 plus sine theta plus sine square theta by sine theta. So student, here now putting the value of theta equals to pi by 2. So we know that sine theta equals to pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 means 1. Sine pi by 2 means 1. So numerator will be 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. And denominator will be 1. Sine theta 1 plus sine theta. And denominator will be 1 plus sine pi by 2 means 2 into 1. So student, result will be 3 by 2. So I say again student, here putting the value of theta equals to pi by 2. So here sine theta is sine pi by 2 1, sine pi by 2 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and denominator will be 1 plus sine pi by 2 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and sine pi by 2 is 1. So 3 by 2. So answer will be 3 by 2. I say again student, we know that sine pi by 2 equals to 1. Putting the value of theta equals to pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 equals to 1. So numerator will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3, and denominator will be 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and sine pi by 2 is 1, so equals to 3 by 2. I hope that student, you are clear. Question number example 5. Find the value of limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x by x cube. So attention please student, given limit x tends to 0 tan x minus sin x by x cube. Now we can write limit x tends to 0, here tan x minus sin x by cos x into cos x. Then denominator are same, is x cube. So student, here cos x divided by cos x and multiply cos x. So cos x cancel, so sin x are same. So we can write sin x by cos x into cos x. Then limit x tends to 0 tan x minus, we know that using formula sin x by cos x, we know that sin x by cos x equals to tan x into cos x by x cube. Now taking common tan x from numerator, then we get 1 minus cos x by x cube. So attention please student, here taking common tan x, then we get 1 minus cos x and divided by x cube. Now here limit x tends to 0, and here tan x into, using formula 1 minus cos 2 into x by 2, and here x by 2 into 2 to cancel, so cos x, because from the formula. Now using formula 1 minus cos 2a, we know that 1 minus cos 2a, student, we know that 1 minus cos 2a equals to 2 sin square a. Then we get tan x into 2 sine square x. X means x by 2 by x cube. So separating all expression, take it to the first position of 2. So student, next line here, limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, and take it to the first position of 2 into limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, and limit x tends to 0, sine square x by 2 by x square, sine square x by 2 by x square. Here x, here x and x square means x cube. So using formula, student attention please here, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, so value of this is 1, and limit x tends to 0, then we can write sine x by 2 by x whole square, because x to the power is square, so x square and sine square. Now 2 into 1 means 2, then limit x tends to 0, here sine x by 2, here x by 2, so denominator should be x by 2, then whole square into, now balance here, x square by 4 means 4, so 1 by 4, so 1 by 4, so 4 cancel, so result x. Now student, sine x by 2 by x by 2, and here x by 2 tends to 0, so this result is 1 square into 1 by 4. This is formula. Using formula, limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta equals to 1. Attention please student, I say again, using formula, limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta equals to 1. So here limit x by 2 tends to 0, sine x by 2 by x by 2, this is 1, then whole square, and this is 1 by 4. So student, 2 and 4 cancel, 2, so answer will be 1 by 2. Now student, here this is formula, limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta equals to 1. Using formula, limit theta tends to 0, sine theta by theta equals to 1. Now here 1 by 4 and 4 are cancelled. So student, here 2 into 1 square into 1 by 4, 2 and 4 are cancelled, then 2 becomes 2, so result will be 1 by 2. Student, question number 15, 50, 59 and example 5, it's very important question for your examination. So I hope that student you are clear. So see you again next class. Allah Hafiz.